Question 1. Who was the first President of the United States? George Washington. Question 2. What is the capital of California? Sacramento. Question 3. How many stars are on the United States flag? Question 4. Which ocean is on the west coast of the United States? Pacific Ocean. Question 5. Who wrote the U.S. Constitution? James Madison. Question 6. What is the largest state by area in the United States? Alaska. Question 7. What year did the Great Depression begin? (1929). Question 8. Which U.S. holiday honors those who have died in military service? Memorial Day. Question 9. What is the national bird of the United States? Bald eagle. Question 10. Which country did the U.S. fight during the American Revolution? Great Britain. Question 11. How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have? (27). Question 12. What river is the longest in the United States? Missouri River. Question 13. Which city is known as the Big Apple? New York City. Question 14. Which president is on the $1 bill? George Washington. Question 15. What is the smallest state in the United States? Rhode Island. Question 16. Who is the 16th President of the United States? Abraham Lincoln. Question 17. Where is the Statue of Liberty located? New York Harbor. Question 18. What is the U.S. national anthem called? The Star-Spangled Banner. Question 19. Which U.S. state is famous for potatoes? Idaho. Question 20. What document guarantees freedom of speech? The First Amendment. Question 21. What is the largest city by population in the United States? New York City. Question 22. What is the main currency used in the United States? U.S. dollar. Question 23. Who was president during World War I? Woodrow Wilson. Question 24. What U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? Florida. Question 25. What government body makes federal laws? Congress. Question 27. Which state was the first to join the United States after the original 13 colonies? Vermont. Question 29. Who is considered the father of the Constitution? James Madison. Question 30. Which state is home to the Grand Canyon? Arizona. Question 31. Which U.S. state is famous for its peaches? Georgia. Question 32. What are the two major political parties in the United States? Democratic and Republican. Question 33. Who was the first woman to serve on the U.S. Supreme Court? Sandra Day O'Connor. Question 34. What is the tallest mountain in the United States? Denali Mount McKinley. Question 35. In what month do Americans celebrate Thanksgiving? November. Question 36. What is the main language spoken in the United States? English. Question 37. What body of water separates the United States and Mexico? The Rio Grande. Question 38. Who is known for inventing the light bulb in America? Thomas Edison. Question 39. Which U.S. state has the most people? California. Question 40. What is the second largest state by area in the United States? Texas. Question 41. Which U.S. president is famous for the New Deal program? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Question 42. What desert is located in the southwestern United States? The Sonoran Desert. Question 43. Who has the power to veto bills in the United States? The President. Question 44. Which U.S. state was the last to become a state? Hawaii. Question 45. What economic system is used in the United States? Capitalism. Question 46. What landmark in South Dakota features the faces of 4 U.S. presidents? Capitalism. Question 47. What is the longest river entirely within the United States? Missouri River. Question 48. Which amendment to the U.S. Constitution abolished slavery? The 13th Amendment. Question 49. What is the largest freshwater lake in the United States? Lake Superior. Question 50. What city is the capital of the United States? Washington, D.C. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the quiz, please subscribe and like. Let us know in the comments how many questions you got right. Your support means a lot to us.